Hi everyone. Would you agree that each one of us want to progress in the area that matters to us? Would you like to know a simple a process which will make progress very predictable? I'm going to share with you that simple technique. I call that a progress triangle. A progress triangle essentially consists of having a coach or a mentor, having the right process or system, and the right environment. Let me repeat: having a coach or a mentor, right process and system, and the right environment. Let's take the example of being fit. If information is the only way that we can accomplish everything we need, there are enough, in fact, billions of videos, self-help videos available in the internet. Wouldn't that mean that having information alone is not enough? For what's missing? For even the world's best of coaches, it's very, very important to have a coach or a mentor who can see you from the outside and pull you up and also push you forward. The second is having a process or a system. What's a process? It converts an input into an output on a day in and day out basis. How can you have a predictable process? You all heard about checklists? It's as simple as that. That's what I recommend. Here is a simple checklist. How does a checklist look like? A checklist is nothing but having a list of subtasks for the task that you want to accomplish. It could be your wake up routine. It could be end of the day routine. It could be your business development routine. It could be anything, personal or professional. The moment you have split your task into subtasks, where you're very clear with who, what, and when in each one of the subtasks, you make your task accomplishment very, very predictable. The third one is to have the right environment. Imagine you want to minimize drinking or avoid drinking, or you would like to avoid or minimize your intake of non-vegetarian food. Imagine if you are surrounded by people who drink very frequently and mostly have non-veg. What's the probability that you would accomplish your objective in these areas? So it's very, very important that you are surrounded with people who take you forward. It has been always said that you are an average of 5 people around you. So please be very clear whom you are hanging out with and build that relevant network. So just want to repeat, how do you accomplish progress in a very, very predictable way? Identify a coach or mentor if you don't have. Create checklists for and a process for the tasks that you want to accomplish, and build the right environment, and progress will become a habit. I wish you all a wonderful day and a great progress in whatever you wish to do.